lovelies! Roxy here and welcome back to my channel! So for today, bored si Manay at dahil bored si Manay, magko-color tayo ng hair! Just a disclaimer guys, I am not a salon professional. I never took hair salon trainings before. But I used to work abroad and medyo may kamahalan yung mga services sa salon abroad. So basically, yung mga ganitong bagay, like hair cutting, hair color, even yung pagpapagupit ng bangs, inaral na lang namin sa sarili namin para at least, in a way, makatipid kami and bonding time na rin namin sa isa't isa with our friends and yung mga ka-work namin. Yeah, so basically, what we do before is, for hair coloring, ibili lang kami ng mga hair colors sa grocery stores, Kroger, Target, na malapit sa amin. And we just follow all the instructions that is written on the box. Yung talaga yung basis natin para magawa itong pag-hair color. Yeah, okay? So, further ado, let's get this started! Yun, so for today, ang gagamitin nating product ay hindi gaanong sikat. Unlike L'Oreal, Revlon na nakikita lang natin sa mga supermarkets around us. Doon ko siya nabili sa mga store na alam mo yung all 99, all 88 ganun. So basically, it's just 99 pesos. Diba? Yan. And it is called IL Salone. Yan. And yun nga, hindi siya common sa akin. Ngayon ko lang ito gagamitin, pero yung kanyang marketing ad, this one, promotion niya sa labas. Ito yung kinikilig niyang color na lalabas sa hair mo. So, attractive kasi siya. Kung tingnan mo, ayun o, medyo makakaano siya, parang napaka-cool niya lang sa hair, parang, hindi gold. Ayun yung gusto ko ma-achieve ko sa hair ko. And, yeah, ito, yung feeling ko yung shade na ma-attain ko dito is yung ito, this one. Kasi medyo nasa gantong condition yung hair natin ngayon. Okay, ang gagawin lang natin, susundin lang natin lahat ng instruction na nandito sa box. And lahat ng rules ay in-apply ko na rin. Binasa ko na siya before ko buksan. What? Binasa ko na siya, yung instructions bago ko gawin yung video na to. Para at least baka kasi may mali tayong magawa beforehand. Yan. So yeah, medyo dapat nga basahin mo muna siya bago mo siya i-apply sa hair mo. As you open this box, right here, you'll receive different products. Unlike dun sa mga regular natin nakikita sa supermarket, you'll receive all these items. 4 steps, color your hair. Siyempre, kasama rin sa box is yung kanyang instruction or guide para mag-color ng hair. Ang instruction natin dito, yan, kasama na rin yung gloves. Ba, ang cool. Pero sana soon may mag-invent ng gloves na hindi plastic kasi alam mo na pati itong mga nandito, yung sachet, sana may maka-invent na hindi na siya plastic. So yeah, basically, hanapin mo lang yung English kasi medyo marami siyang languages translated. And nasa pinakauna naman siya. Andito yung English. And it says here na dapat, yan, before coloring, do not wash hair for at least 24 hours before applying color. So basically, ayun nga, buti na lang nabasa ko siya before ako mag-color ng hair. Hindi ko na to niliguan ng around 24 hours na, and super dry niya, as in kasi hindi ako nag-conditioner, and yun nga, naka-color kasi yung hair ko dati, so kailangan ko araw-araw nag-conditioner kahit onti lang para at least hindi siya nag-freeze. So yeah, you'll need a comb, a towel, and a clock or other timing devices. And yeah, it says here, read and follow instructions carefully. So basically, lahat ng instructions dito susundin lang natin all throughout the coloring steps. So yeah, for our step 1, eto siya, prep and prime. Gagamitin natin ito. Pero, sabi sa instruction, hindi siya ilalagay sa roots. So, siguro mga half part ng hair natin down to ends ng hair natin. Yan. Lalagay natin to. Busin natin to sa single use naman doon siya. Yan. Prep and prime. Nakakatuwa kasi meron silang ganito. Alam mo yun, they care for your hair. Mini-make sure nila na hindi naman madadamage yung hair mo. And for the next step, ito naman, yung 2 and 3, color and cover. Yan. Sa amount nito, it says here 48 ml. Malaking tube siya guys eh. Parang laki niya. Hindi ka nalugi for 99 pesos. And also, number 3, ito, yung color cream, 70 ml. Basically, itong dalawa, paghaluin mo lang, like, yan. Paghaluin mo lang sila. And color your hair for 30 minutes. So, yun. Sa akin, 30 minutes lang. I leave my hair for just 30 minutes. Pero for those who have black virgin hair, you may leave your hair for around 35 to 40 minutes para at least make sure natin masiset yung hair and ma-maximize natin yung color. And ito, this one, yung step 2 and yung developer lotion natin. Yan, pag minute. So let's start. For our first step, we have this prep and prime. This one is in a sachet like this. And sabi sa instruction niya, apply lang daw natin to. Not in the roots, not from the roots, pero siguro mga around this part. Dito. Yan. Down to the end. It's like a makeup primer. This would even out the color that will be applied in our hair. Okay, for our next step, second step, and the third step, we'll mix these two together. Okay, so eto na siya guys. Ito na siya. This one. Yan, nasimot ko na yung buong container ng second step natin. And then, shake this one. After you mix this, kunin niyo yung gloves sa instruction. Paper. Yan. Kunin yan. And then, suotin nyo. Siyempre, of course. Ano ba't may gloves at hindi nyo susuotin? Ayan guys, ready na ako. Maybe yung extra, I have this salon cape. Hindi ako salon professional, pero may dito ako. Ayan. Kasi ako ngayon nagpo-color sa hair ng aking nanay, ng aking lola, and everyone here at home. So yeah, I'm wearing the gloves, and na-shake ko na rin yung ating developer and color. And meron lang siyang bead. Yan, for protection itong, yan. Diba? Turn yung ma-shake ng maigi yung ating color developer and ating color cream. Section lang yung hair. Yan. Ako sinection ko lang siya into 4. Pa-color ko tong bottom part first. Yan.
One eternity later.
Hi guys! So, I am now back after a day. Sorry, medyo maingay lang kasi nasa labas ako. Medyo maingay yung mga aso pag nakikita nila ako. But definitely, I can now wrap up this video and show you the results of IL Salone Professional Hair Coloring. So, ayun, I chose to record this video outside to show you guys the result under a natural sunlight. And as you guys can see, ayan, definitely nag-effect naman siya sa hair natin, pero hindi siya yung as light as yung ina-expect ko. And ayan, even out naman yung pagkakakolor sa hair ko. Ayan. Ganda siya sa araw. And yung hair conditioning natin, yung step number 4, maganda siya sa hair. Hindi lang ganun ka-pleasing yung amoy niya, pero maganda siya sa hair nung pagkaka-apply ko. Just a quick comparison of my before photo and after photo. So yeah, that would be all for today. I definitely love the hair result of this transformation. And thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Thank you so much. And please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel and also click the notification bell down below to see more of my videos coming.